Greetings everyone and welcome back to a new episode of Sephiroth and Sypha's channel. Today we have the extreme damage Dominion, Quilmesaurus, and Dominion, Moros, Intrepidus. So there is another variant of this Moros Intrepidus. It is like a green and yellow one, but for now we will just use this brown and red one. Alright. And we will be discussing our new PIANITZKYSAURus. It's still sealed, it's wrapped in plastic. The name Pianitsky sounds so Russian or Ukrainian, but we'll check it out. So let's unwrap it now. Yeah. There you go. We don't have this yet. Alright, looks good. Alright, so we already have all of these. Okay, so let's open it up. Alright, so it's been days now. I got busy. Didn't have time. Alright, let's check them out. Alright, there you go. Alright, it has a yellow crest on top. The face, if you take that off, it looks like a T-Rex. But it has 3 fingers, so it's definitely not a T-Rex. But it could be related to it. It has quills on under its neck. Up there, and has a little sail, a tiny one. Alright, nice color. This creature doesn't have a variant yet. This is the first of its kind. Alright, same as the Quilmesaurus, no variant yet. But this one has one already. So this Quilmesaurus is a Walmart exclusive. Because as you can see, the battle damage here. You push that, it goes away. Turns red. So it has, you can move its neck, the mouth. You can turn it left and right. Some of them can't do that. Has really tiny arms. Alright. Let's see their faces. Almost. Okay, I see. It also looks like a little T-Rex. But has little 3 fingers there as well. Alright, now to the Moros Intrepidus. This was in the movie, but it seems to be really tiny in the movie. But here, they made it a little bigger. Looks like a swift predator here. Alright. So our next video will be a herbivore. We're going to be discussing the Hesperosaurus. It looks like a Stegosaurus. I'm pretty sure it's related to them. So yeah, that's our next video. For now, I'd like to say thank you. And have a good weekend. Thanks again, guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe and like button. Cheers. Bye.